Hi, I make a web page to connect Binance with TradingView. To do that, first of all, we will configure our account in the web page with the help of API key and API secret. API key and API secret both we will get from Binance account, Binance websites. You can generate it and paste it here. Once you generate, you have to give a name to the account. For example, I am giving them a name first, and I will click on add account. Once I click on add account, I will see that account here, which is enable. We can enable, disable from here, and we can also delete from here. Like that, we can add a multiple accounts like that, but as of now we will use only one because API key and ID same, so there is no point to add multiple accounts. But yeah, you can add multiple accounts to trade simultaneously with a single signal. Like a signal is generated from your TradingView and then it will pass to all the accounts. Next we will come to home. Here we can see there is a total balance that we will see in our account. With the help of API, it fetch our total balance and shows here, like on a spot there is 0, in future there is 9.204, margin there is no balance. Here we can see a history of our orders, and here is the order. There is no recent order, so that's why it is not showing anything. Also you can place a order from that web page also. So I make a that trade button here. For example, I want to place a order in XRP USDT futures. I want to buy on a market price, so I will select market, and 3 quantity I want to place a order. As in my Binance account there is no order, so I will place a order and there it will place in my Binance directly. See here, it just came up with a 3 quantity. I will close that signal. So manually also you can place a trade from that web page, but the main point is how we will place a order from our TradingView to our Binance. For that we have to go to that syntax. Here we will find two things. First is webhook and second thing is JSON. So we will cover it step by step. First we will click on copy webhook. Once it is copied, we will go to the TradingView. We will make a test alert here and we will configure our webhook here, and in the message box we will paste a JSON that we will get from our web page. So here I will provide a symbol that I want to take a trade, and buy, sell, market, quantity 3. I want to place a 5 quantity that time in a futures. I will click on generate payload. According to that JSON will be updated, and we can copy that JSON from here. Once it is copied, I come up here and paste it here. Before making a alert, I want to show you that there is no order with 5 quantity. Now I will create that alert, and once it is triggered, now we can see a order with 5 quantity here. So that way it triggered a order from your TradingView to your Binance with the help of that web page. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Also you can contact me on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is in the description. That's all for that video. Have a nice day.